Here are 6 things that might scare little ones at Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World. Number 1, Slinky Dog Dash. This is a family-friendly coaster, and it's outside so you can see how it goes, but it is a coaster, so have your child test the waters at more mild attractions to increase your odds of enjoying this one. Number 2, Tower of Terror. It has a very obvious 13-story drop, but also some very scary imagery. With only a 40-inch height requirement, a lot of little ones will be able to ride, but if they're hesitant, you might want to skip it. Number 3, Rock and Roller Coaster has a 48-inch height requirement that is going to eliminate most children, which is good because it is intense. Save this one till last after they've done all the others. Number 4, Smuggler's Run. This is actually very kid-friendly, but it does involve some elements of being chased. Remind kids that you'll be safe. Number 5 and 6, Meeting Darth Vader at Star Wars Launch Bay and Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. These have some very intimidating elements as you interact with the characters. If your kids are Star Wars fans, remind them that the Resistance will keep them safe.